Everybody, I'm here with the doctor.
What up, bitches?
And we are gonna do, help me.
Nightmare Before Christmas, Sally and Jack.
Sally and Jack for what?
For October and going to Disneyland.
What? Now that you're here before me, is this Disney?
It is.
Okay.
At this time of year, they have the haunted house dressed, all made up as the Nightmare Before Christmas.
Oh,
yeah.
That makes me want to go.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Last year was the first time I'd seen it like that.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I did not know. So as you know, I'm going in with all the colors of you can help with this
Sally.
tutorial. Yes. So I'm just doing little patchwork bottoms like this, and I will leave some black in some of them. I went too much on that because I was listening to you. So I'll leave some black on this one, but on the other ones I am going to just doodle on them so that they have a little design on all the little patches. Alrighty, so that was fast and magical. It was like nothing even felt. Look at that. Okay,
Yeah.
so
cute.
now I'm gonna paint a Sally face. So spray my bottle, and here's the colors, and they are dried out. Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna do blue and white for Sally's face. Add a little green maybe here and there just to make sure it's the right color. She's a periwinkle blue.
It smells good.
Thanks. I put a little in it. Just to make my day brighter. Okay, there's that, and then I'm gonna work in there and lighten. I hope that cast. I'm gonna do this color, then lighten. So I'm gonna go with the head, this, and then down like that. Then with a little bit darker, go around the sides and just kind of like, what would that be called? Contour it.
In the makeup world?
Yep. You're going to want to contour her face. And then with an orange, I didn't put that out, sorry. I'm in the middle of a million things, and I was like, oh, let me just do that on film. Oh no, let me not. And then I was like, hey, you guys requested it, so I'm going to just do my best. How's that?
And her best is always
Well, no, that's
best
not
terrific.
true. That's not true. I could probably, okay, so with the orange, you're gonna go in like that. And I added a little bit of yellow, so it's orange and yellow, and then it'll blend as I paint. So, like this. And so they're going, she's going to Disneyland for this, so the people that work there are gonna just go crazy. And this is when hand painting kind of pays off, because people really dig hand painting when you go to the parks, more than the stickers. Like the people that work there, strangely enough, I know someone who works at the theme parks, and she loves looking at nails. So I'm just gonna tell you that.
I went there before, and I had Robin had done Disney princess on my hand, and when I got my picture taken with the princesses, they were always grabbing my hand. I have pictures with the princesses. Oh, and they're just like looking at my hands and had their hands to their mouth going, oh.
She's not like an alien almost, is she?
Right?
I love her smile. Okay, now this is so tiny, you just have to dot. It'll look like little stitches if you just use little dots. And if you wanted to do the nail black and then just paint on top of it, you don't have to outline everything. I have just found that this is a funner way for me, and so over time this is how I got faster. And then there's two different kinds of things that you can paint. There's like this kind, and then there's the portrait kind, and the portrait kind takes so long. So go like this, and then I'm going to lighten up her front a little bit and highlight again, and then that way I can kind of detail around her eyes and make them more perfect like this. and then go into her cheekbones and give her eyeliner with the highlights. So you're kind of killing two birds with one stone by getting the highlight and the line drawn. And then with the light, go down. And, oh good, we're still in frame. Okay, here we go. Take a breath. Okay, take a breath, up and down, the brush, go up and down. Okay. Then with the little tiny touch of red, we're gonna put in her little mouth. Boop, boop, boop. You gotta sneeze?
No, I have a lash.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
One of those lashes?
Yeah.
She got a lash problem. Okay, and then I will play with that hair and make it like perfect, but you get the idea of how I'm going to do this. Now on this finger I'm going to do the dog. I love that dog.
So cute.
The dog is going to be hilarious because it's so easy. Okay, here we go. Here we go. So I'm going to go in, push, 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 and then pull up, and then I'm going to push and pull up. Okay, then push, pull up, and then I'm going to go the opposite way and then push and pull in. That, and then with his bootay, okay, push, and then I'm gonna go up, okay, there. Oh my god, I loved doing that. Then I'm gonna let that dry. Then I'm gonna go to this hand, and I'm gonna paint the dude that's in the moon, no, I'm sorry, let me look through here. It is going to be this dude, the green guy. So I have my green and my blue. I'm going to mix the green real quick. Okay. Okay. So with your brush, oh, where am I? Okay. With the brush, I'm going to go in and go push, rub, run, 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 pull up. And then I'm going to push, pull up. And then push, pull up. Then the bottom part, like that. And he's like he's coming up over the side of the nail, like he's behind the little part. So he's just going to go down to the string, again like this, to where it frays. Then with the black, I'm going to come back in, push, pull up, and then do the push, pull up, push, pull up. Okay, let that dry. Go right to Jack. And Jack is fantastically white. Right here. No weird colors here, just out of the tub.
He needs to go in a tanning booth.
He's lovely. Okay, let's see. And then the skinny neck. And then I'm going to use my black and go push, pull up, push, pull up, push, pull up. Other side. Oop. Okay. Push, pull up, push, pull up, and push and pull in. Then boom, boom, And then his arms will be on the end, and I will tap, just cap this with polish at the ends when I go with the matte second coat. This is going to dry. Then I go back to this side. This is dry now. And here is the power of doing more than one nail at the same time. Is when you get to working with multiple nails, you keep your time by doing 3 or 4 nails, because that is constantly drying while you're working. And so you're actually making extra money while you work. And I don't know what's on his nose, doctor. What is that? Is that a lips? Oh, it's like his nose is a weird shape. Is there a reason for that?
I don't know.
He's like a cape, but his nose is like red. So I'm just gonna do what I see. When in doubt, just do what you see.
It's like he's got a cold.
It is. It's like he's Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, except for he's a dog. Right?
Yeah.
You never noticed that?
Uh-uh.
Wow. So we'll just do that. That way we know we're going to be covered no matter what. And because he looks like a sheep in this one, I'm just going to do that real quick. There, see? That just gives him a little bit of boom. And I love him. And so he's wearing a little collar. So in this one I will put that on there. Okay, so that's basically him. I will highlight her, and then I'm going to go to him. Okay, now I'm going to highlight him on camera. So let's go back to him. And we're going to go with the light green like this. See? Now it's going to look like he's got some dimension to him. And we're going to do his brow going down. Did you see my Joker nails?
I did. I saw them. Those are awesome.
I'm like, okay, doctor wouldn't wear those, but I know she'd like it.
They were awesome.
Yeah, that was pretty fun. I had a fun time painting those. Okay, so there's that, and oh my goodness, lovely. Okay, now that he's in, you can go and put the little phrase again so it looks like he's behind the nail, see? But you don't have to worry about anything drying out. Okay, they're done. Now Jack is dry. Now see, you don't have to worry about anything drying this way. So go like this, go like this, and nose, dot, 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 dot. Okay, then line across, dot, 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 dot. Again, imperfection is perfect. Now I'm gonna go like this. Oh my gosh, I love him. No, he has a heart on his chest. So boom, boom. Okay. And boom. I think I might have him holding something, like a treat. I don't know. But anyways, you get the idea. I'm going to top coat. Okay, now here is the end result. I coated all of them, but they look just as cute shiny because I was looking at it as I was coating it. And it looks really cute. It looks more cartoony when it's shiny, but here they are. And thumb. Boop.
I love
and oh my gosh, she's gonna have so much fun. So I highlighted on the side with just a little bit of white, you can see. Other than that, I haven't done anything extra. If you try these, please tag me, Inspired by Robin Moses, right here. And if you get brushes, you are supporting my channel, robinmosesnailart.com. That's how I do what I do for you guys. So please do get brushes. And I will see you back with more. Thank you for watching, and it's good to have you back, Doctor.
I'm so happy to be back.
Nail time!
Woohoo!
Oh, they're just darling. I had to go out a little bit and let them see because they're just so cute. They're very, very fun, and they're going to be a ton of fun in Disneyland.
Yes, they are.
All right. Well, you have fun, and happy birthday.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.